Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP500 series printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're just going to open up Microsoft Edge for today's tutorial, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP500 support into Google. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP500. Select that link. You can see a picture of our printer over here, as well as manuals and other information that may be useful over here on the right. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to scroll down just a little bit and expand the software and driver section. And then going underneath the third section here, select the My Printer file and then the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to our system, go ahead and open up that file and then make sure to verify publisher, Canon Inc., and select yes. And then follow through with the on-screen directions here of installing and setting up this application. And you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you want, and you can see we just created one right over here. Hopefully at this point everything should be good to go. If you're having any issues, you can open up that utility and select diagnose and repair printer, and then walk through common troubleshooting steps on the screen here. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.